How to order on Temu. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can order items on Temu. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Temu application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, now to order an item on Temu, first of all we have to add that item to cart. So for that, scroll down and then select a product that you would like to order. For example, I have this right here. Now, in order to add to cart, tap on add to cart button. But before that, you can increase the quantity as well. Now after that, tap on add to cart. Now you can choose different colors according to your preferences. And then you can choose size as well. Once done, tap on add to cart. Now once the item has been added to cart, now to place an order you have to get to cart page. For that, tap on cart icon from the home page at the bottom right corner. Under this cart page, you will be able to find all the product that you have added to cart recently. From here, you have to choose the product that you want to place an order. Once you have selected the product, then tap on checkout button from the bottom right corner. Now, before you place an order, it's gonna ask you to enter your address in order to ship your product. So provide all the necessary address. Your first name, your last name, your address, your phone number. Once done, tap on save. After that, again it will ask you to enter your payment methods. You can add various payment methods available on the Temu. Once you have added your payment methods, now you can place an order. For that, tap on submit order button from the bottom of the interface. After that, your order will be created, and once the order has been placed successfully, you will receive a notification from Temu. Now, once you have placed an order, you have to wait until the product is delivered to your location or your address. So that's the way to order on Temu, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.